All right, so today we're taking a look at the Hinoki Pet Grooming Station. You can see that it comes with so many different attachments. You've got your basic vacuum attachment right there. You've got your brush vacuum attachment right here. Then this one is awesome because you've got a brush attachment with these smaller pinpoints, and the cool thing about it is it has this button at the end where you could actually push the hair up and out, and all of that hair is going to get suctioned right there down in the middle. So if we connect one of these onto here, you can see that it just snaps, that it basically is just going to snap into place like that. We can go ahead and turn it on by pressing the button right there, and then we're going to have our suction. Now depending on how strong you want the suction, you can change that here. You're going to see they've got the speed controls. Right now we're on a level 1 speed control, 2, 3, and it goes all the way up to level 3. Might be a little bit loud to hear me, but it's got a pretty good suction. You can hear if I put my finger up to it there. Let's turn that off for a second. But like I said, the hair will get kind of caught in there. You can push it and it goes through nice and easy. Now we had one of these for a while. This is our second kit. I ended up buying another one and giving our old one away to someone. And then you can see here another comb. This is going to be more of a straight comb, so if you've got dogs that have a little bit shorter hair, this is great for them. You can actually press that out and get it into the vacuum. Now, one of the great things about this kit is that it's also going to come with this set of clippers right here. So if you do need to do a little bit of detailing, like maybe working on their bangs, you can actually use this clipper set, and it's going to connect here. And on the inside, it actually has a voltage. So it's not just going to be, like I said, like a comb or anything. This is actually going to turn on like a clipper. So if I turn this on, this is actually cutting. Now you might not want to cut that short, so it does come with some other options on there as well. It comes with these guards, so if you want to do a short guard, you've got that one there. And then I think the largest guard, let's pull it up real quick. The largest guard, yeah, is a 4-inch guard, so very long. So if you want to keep it kind of long, you can, or if you want to do a little bit more detailing, they have some smaller guards. Another great thing about this is they've got this nail toolkit. So this is kind of like a nail grinder, and you can hear that it actually turns on without being plugged in, and that is because this one is actually battery powered. So you could use this without the vacuum part if you wanted, but since it is a suction, I would recommend just plugging it in. That way you also have the suction when doing the nails. It will suction everything up here into the tank. Now to clear the tank, it's pretty easy. All you're gonna do is pop that hose off at the bottom. You're gonna pull up on here, and there you go. You've got your tank. You could pop this open. It's also gonna have this little filter here as well. Again, this is our second time buying this kit, and we absolutely love it. We feel like this is probably one of the better tools that we've actually used for pet grooming. So if you're looking for a pet grooming kit that has it all, it's got a trimmer, it's got a vacuum, it's got a comb vacuum combo, and it even has a nail trimmer vacuum combo, then I would definitely recommend picking up this grooming set.